How to fix Facebook attachment unavailable issue. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check internet connection. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi and then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Messenger and then search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, launch your settings. Now you have to clear cache for the Messenger app. So navigate to the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Now over here you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, launch your Facebook app. Navigate to the menu section. Now scroll down, click on the option of Help and Support. Click on the option of Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Click on Don't Include. Select the option of Messages. Now over here you have to explain about your issue and then send it. With that, your problem will be fixed. Applying all these solutions, you can easily fix your problem. So this is how you can fix Facebook Messenger attachment unavailable issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.